Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Partner Communications Company Limited, ticker symbol PTNR, market cap $1.49 billion. Now this is one of the stock which has been quite a steady performer throughout, or I would say across the period. Now the volume or the traded volume we have here is very low. So the average volume is 18,000 shares and the last traded volume was 22,000 shares. So the volume is very low, but what looks quite interesting is the trend of the price action. And the stock is doing well. I mean, if you are holding it from the last 1 year, you have gained 60%. Now if you are only looking at this stock via percentage change, so this is, I don't think, is the right way to look at it, because the stock has to be a consistent performer, and if you can play with big volumes, even this 60% is a very big number. So it is like you have $1,000 to invest and you have made 60% out of it, and another person who have made 60% with his investment of $1 million. So there is, the percentage is same. What is different is the amount person A and person B has invested. Okay, so this is the thing which you're gonna look and focus here. So let's see what else we have here. So we are not so these coverage or these targets by different the coverage houses or market analyst or research report are very old, so we can't use that actually. So this is out of the context. Let's see what else we have here. Insider, no, we don't have any insider trading info. And as far as latest news is concerned, so let's see, we have two news, one from 14th and another for 16th of December. So Partner Communication announces the entry into a new collaborative collective employment agreement for an additional 3 years. So this is one news, and another news is Partner Communication report that court has approved a transaction subject to closing condition to purchase the company's shares under ADV, Advanced EHUD Souls receivership. So what do we have here? Okay, so it reports that dated 25 regarding the offer to purchase nearly 49 million shares of the company's shares held by SB Israel Telecom, and that constitute approximately 27% of the company's issued and outstanding share capital. So there are very big numbers of shares, so that's why you can see, I mean, the volumes are very less because the internal holdings are huge. And this is the news which we have here. So let's go and check out the chart, because the only thing we have here is price performance. And if you're looking at the chart, this chart overall looks like it is in a range, but we have a big trend in front of us. Let me show it to you. Okay, if you are focusing on this chart, you will see there are some important breakouts that has happened as far as the levels are concerned. So here we are. Now what we have here is your immediate support is $7.81 and probably your stop loss at 6.5. Don't go below that, because the next couple of levels you have here is quite on the lower side, so 3.8, 3.2 and 2.5. Now on the upside, if the stock continues to sustain above 7.8, you have a primary target, or I would say a very small hurdle in front of us. So the immediate target we have here is 9.97, above which, so after 9.97 you have, or you are open for the upper end of the range. Let me show it to you. So this is the upper end of the range. So after 9.97 you have 15.28, you have 21.8, you have and you have $26.7. So these are a couple of targets that we're gonna look at, and the way the stock is moving, it's very strong, and we are hoping. So don't focus on some of the very important numbers we have here, because if you are looking at price to earnings, this is looking 111 times. But since we are in the age where digital will going to play a very important role, we have all the levels open up for us, and if the price is moving higher, nobody is going to doubt on it. So we have levels, so you can actually trail the stop losses and looking at the higher end of the range. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.